Welcome back to our channel. Today we're at Fort Stevens, Oregon. Love seeing that flag.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift and hope that you'll take it into her side.
This is the barracks area. This is part of what they call earthwork, made for artillery during the Civil War. It was started in 1863 and it was finished the day before the Confederates surrendered, before Lee surrendered at Appomattox Courthouse in 1865. These guns would be mounted on top of the earthwork on a rail system. There were 26 mounted here at its completion. This water is in a moat that they built completely around it, and it's hard to see, but there's still a ditch. And this is only part of the earthworks because a lot of it was destroyed, and they used it for a parade ground and stuff like that. But originally it had a moat all the way around it, and it was a very large structure. The soldiers could only access through this sally port right here. They lived away from this structure. We're on the interior now, coming through that sally port. You can see the earthworks around. Some of the guns up there. Parade ground that was put in. This picture shows a partial picture and shows the modernization upgrade they had in the late 1890s and completed in 1903 with concrete, more protection for the soldiers. Made a lot of changes from the Civil War era. These guns out here were an upgrade also from the Civil War. They could be loaded from the back instead of the front, where they were exposed to the enemy when they were loading the guns during the Civil War.
She's waiting for love, heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side.
Inside Fort Stevens, herd of elk. Got a spike right here. beautiful. Look at him hanging back. Fort Stevens Cemetery. John Moore died April 19th, 1877.
He's almost 33 years old.
Love seeing that flag.
And hope that you'll take it into her side.
Thank you to all the veterans in this cemetery. The elk have been walking up here in the cemetery, and it looks like Gerald Garland is feeding the elk. Look at all the flowers. Those elk know where to go. Thank you, Gerald. What a beautiful place. Sure, very well kept up. Fort Stevens National Cemetery is maintained by Willamette National Cemetery in Portland, Oregon. You people do a wonderful job. Thank you. We're just outside the gates of Fort Stevens, a quarter-mile away. Sitting in her car on a sunny day, looking at a herd of 12 or 14 elk. Boy, isn't that beautiful?
Over the hills and far from mine, she's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into